Welcome to the captivating world of AI artistry, where the line between reality and illusion becomes beautifully blurred. Just like those plastic decor grapes in your friend's parents' living room that fooled your taste buds, these AI-generated images are so realistic you won't be able to tell the difference. Creating AI-generated art on Midjourney can be an exhilarating experience, but it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Initially enjoyable, the process can become frustrating if the AI tool fails to capture your creative vision. To achieve hyper-realistic images and bring your imagination to life, mastering the art of scripting prompts is essential. First things first, don't just put the text in the image you want. For example, say you want an image of a girl. Just type girl and the following image will appear. It's not bad, but it's a little CG-ish. Think of the process as wielding a camera, where your understanding of photography serves as a guiding light. By grasping the fundamentals, you gain the ability to define your vision with clarity. Similar to a skilled photographer, selecting a style that breathes life into your creation becomes crucial. As you type away on your keyboard, you dive into a realm of natural beauty and realism, shaping each stroke like a brushstroke on a mesmerizing canvas. Now, here's the game changer. Infuse your prompts with captivating words that are associated with top-tier image quality. Words such as best quality, high resolution, and an array of stunning descriptors serve as a catalyst for unlocking artistic possibilities. By adorning your prompts with these enchanting words, separated by commas, you open up a world of extraordinary visual grandeur. Look at this prompt example. Girl, raw photo, best quality, realistic, photorealistic, best quality, masterpiece, an extremely delicate and beautiful, extremely detailed, 2K wallpaper, amazing, finely detailed, 8K wallpaper, huge file size, ultra detailed, high res, extremely detailed, realistic, 8K, ultra high definition, highest quality, ultra high resolution, realistic 1.4, high quality texture. This produces a crisp, realistic image like this, but it still looks a bit like a painting. Although much better than our first girl, that's only by the power of applying commas in your prompt. Moving on. Achieving realistic imagery on Midjourney involves the meticulous act of crafting vivid descriptions. However, it's not simply about adding numerous elements, it's about creating a description that is so immersive and detailed that it springs to life in the reader's imagination. Try to imagine it as if you were describing the setting to a trusted companion, or capturing every nuance with precision and allure. The secret lies in finding the delicate balance between specificity and storytelling. Your prompts should transport the reader to a world where imagination and reality seamlessly blend together. Whether it's a tranquil sunset on a secluded beach or a vibrant cityscape with gleaming skyscrapers, your script must infuse vitality into the scene. You can follow this syntax to create better renders. Alright, so check it out. Here's our prompt. Imagine, gotta have a subject, add an environment, toss in some color, establish a mood, and arrange your composition. And when selecting a subject, imagine a person, animal, object, or location in your mind's eye. To add excitement and depth, employ vibrant adjectives that vividly capture their essence and create a clear mental image. Next, consider the environment in which your subject exists. Imagine a captivating setting that serves as the backdrop for your visual narrative. It could be an enchanting indoor scene, a breathtaking outdoor landscape, or even an otherworldly realm like the moon or Narnia. Try using evocative keywords to paint the background, igniting the reader's imagination and setting the stage for your artistic creation. So here we go, let's look at some examples. Wildlife photography of a fierce tiger in the forest, V5. Underwater photography of a blue jellyfish glowing deep in the ocean, V4. Alright, but now let's delve into the elements of color, mode, and composition to further enhance your imagery so that it's a little bit cleaner. Colors possess the remarkable ability to evoke emotions and influence perception. Consider how you want your creation to be perceived. Do you envision it bursting with vibrant hues or exuding the timeless charm of black and white? Use descriptive keywords to specify the color palette, setting the tone for your masterpiece. See how this prompt produced an amazing image. Photo of dark purple Nissan Skyline GTR in New York, shot on a Sony mirrorless camera, DSLR, 50mm lens, f2.8, ultra detailed, 8K, at night/morning golden hour, v5. And it's really easy to see the difference, so don't be afraid to play around and have some fun. Alright, moving on to the mood. It's time to infuse your image with emotion and intrigue. Think about the overall mood you wish to convey. Will it be a serene and calm scene, or does it radiate with energy and excitement? Choose keywords that reflect the desired emotional atmosphere, captivating your audience and pulling them into the narrative. Finally, on composition, now envision the perfect shot to encapsulate your story. Will it be a sweeping panoramic view, a close-up detail, or a dynamic action shot? Define the composition of your image with clarity, setting the stages for Midjourney to bring your vision to life. Now, discover the power of control with Midjourney's negative prompts feature. Shape your artistic vision with precision by excluding specific elements, styles, or backgrounds from your creations. Syntax for this prompt goes a little bit something like this. So, original prompt with descriptions, no unwanted element. By adding the no to the end of your input on Midjourney, you have the power to remove unwanted elements from your generated images. Let's say you want to enjoy the beauty of vibrant tulip fields, but prefer to exclude the color red. Simply append no red to your prompt and observe as Midjourney skillfully reduces or eliminates the prominence of the specified color in your resulting image. But it doesn't stop at colors. With Midjourney, you have the freedom to remove certain objects, people, or animals from your compositions. By leveraging the no parameters multiple times, you can ensure that the undesired elements stay far away from your visual narratives. So here's an example of what some negative prompts might look like. Modern abstract painting, seed 1, no frame, furniture, wall. Now, if we hadn't have used the negative property, then the original image would have looked like this. Up next, to wield this technique, employ the double colon, followed by a number to signify the relative significance of each part of your prompt. Imagine splitting your prompt into two parts, the first part deserving 3 times more attention than the second. This allows you to express your creative vision with precision, ensuring the AI understands your intentions. By assigning varying levels of importance, you empower Midjourney to emphasize the elements that truly matter, granting your images a touch of brilliance. The art of prioritization becomes your secret weapon, guiding the AI's interpretation and infusing your creations with your desired essence. The syntax for such an input should look a little bit something like this. What you do is you input your prompt number 1, followed by a double colon 3. Next up, you put in your next prompt, followed by a double colon. Now, if you don't need to add any additional weight to this, you can just leave a double colon and it'll treat it as 1. Similarly, if your prompts consist of 5 different parts, the syntax for the input should be something a little bit like this. Prompt 1, double colon 4. Prompt 2, double colon 3. Prompt 3, double colon 2. Prompt 4, double colon. Prompt 5, double colon. So in this particular instance, prompt 1 will be 4 times more significant than prompt 4 and prompt 5. Prompt number 2 is 3 times more important than prompt number 4 and prompt number 5, so on. Here's an example of what an actual prompt would look like when using prompt weights correctly. A candid portrait of a musician playing the piano, double colon 5. At a restaurant with a blurry backdrop of the restaurant's windows, double colon 2. Captured using a Nikon D850 DSLR camera with 85mm lens, double colon 4. Dreamlike lighting, double colon 3. And this is what you're gonna get. Alright, so there you go. You now possess the secrets to crafting hyper-realistic images that are gonna leave jaws dropping. But hey, there's more, alright? If you're ready to unleash your creativity, then join us on our YouTube channel for even more tips, tricks, and tutorials to take your AI artistry to the next level. So hey, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give us a like, go ahead and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for all the incredible content that's coming your way.